Here's a great question from Unit 4 talking about monetary policy and the money market. It's from Macro 2010, question 2. The question starts off by telling you there's a decrease in credit card fees, and so there's a decrease in demand for money. Part A asks to draw the money market and then show that shift on that graph. So the money market has nominal interest rates, quantity of money, downward sloping demand for money, and a vertical money supply curve. Come together, they come up with the equilibrium nominal interest rate. This question actually told you what happens. It told you the demand for money falls. So that means there's a decrease in demand, and the new nominal interest rate is lower. So this graph and the shift are worth 1 point each, so 2 points. Part B asks if there's a decrease in nominal interest rates, what happens to bond prices? Bond price is going to increase. Now, you didn't have to explain, but the reason why is because bond investors would want to go buy bonds that were at that higher nominal interest rate. They don't want bonds at that lower nominal interest rate. When bond investors go ahead and buy those higher yield bonds, it's going to drive up the price of bonds. In fact, the price of those previously issued bonds that people are buying goes up so much that the new yield is actually the same interest rate as right down here. What you need to know is that nominal interest rates and bond prices are inversely related. So for that, you get 1 more point. In Part C, it asks you what happens to the price level. Well, a decrease in interest rates would increase investment, which would increase aggregate demand, which would increase the price level. So the answer is increase. So one more time, a decrease in interest rate will increase investment spending, also increase in consumption spending on interest-sensitive products, and then increase aggregate demand, which will increase the price level. Part D jumps in the idea of monetary policy. It said if the Fed wants to keep the nominal interest rates exactly the same when there's a decrease in demand for money, what should they do with open market operations? The answer is sell bonds. Selling bonds would decrease the money supply, put us right here, so the nominal interest rate would have actually stayed the same. For explanation, I said it would decrease the money supply and then increase interest rates back where they were before. With the explanation, D was worth 1 point. C was worth 2 points. You had to say the price level went up and then explain why. So if you add it all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, this question's out of 6 points. Add it all up, see how you did. Till next time.